Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and this is one of the Jellos I sell. The nice thing about it is it's not just sugar-free, it's completely clean. Even the sweetener that they use is stevia, it's delicious. And even the coloring, like if you want, the red coloring is beet juice. So everything here, everything we carry at HealthyTreatsMarket.com is not just keto-friendly, but it's also clean. So we're gonna start, all I did is open these packets and dump them in here. The Jellos require a 1/3 cup cold water. Mix that for Mommy Adeline. Patty. Be careful, don't burn your hand. Jake. Hammy. Mix those, okay? So you put a 1/3 cup cold water.
Mix until it dissolves.
And you let it dissolve really good.
I was
Okay.
thinking maybe we should
Okay. And then, no, just hold on. And then what you do is you do 1 1/3 cups boiling hot water. Let's pray that these kids don't get hurt. Gentle, gentle. It's very hot. Be careful. 1.
How do
I'm
you
gonna
be
do
so
the
careful?
1, and then I'll do the 3rd.
Honey, don't mix so much.
Guys, these are so easy to do, and this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make a video about meal prepping. Because I'm just making myself 7 different Jellos and puddings that I can eat for 7 days. And I'll eat a whole thing. This whole container is only 25 calories. I mean, you can't go wrong. 1.
I like the pudding more better.
You do?
Yeah.
I like the Jello. I like the pudding too. They're both delicious.
With the chocolate pudding. Oh my goodness.
There you go, man. All right, so the Jello's done.
Now
Okay,
we gotta
thank
do
you.
the pudding.
Be careful, don't
Which
spill. Now
is-
we're gonna go down to the pudding. So for the pudding, all you do to the pudding is mix 1 1/4 cup. Where's the 1/4 cup? Right here.
This is gonna
Of
be
almond milk, and then I'm gonna blend it just to make sure it blends good. The Jello blends pretty good. The pudding, I just want to blend it with a hand blender to make it blend a little bit better. So here's my 1/4 right here. I'm using almond milk. You can use coconut milk. You can use whatever
Whoa, be careful, honey.
milk you want. I just don't want a lot of carbs.
Do we have to mix it,
Okay.
Mommy?
No, this one we're gonna blend. It's a little bit harder.
This
to
is
mix
what Mom
this.
is gonna do.
But you can see it's gonna thicken really quickly. Now watch this.
Alright.
These are so
Honey, stop. Careful, Hattie. No. Hattie, no.
That's really all you need to do. And it's settled. It sets. It's already starting to set. And again, all clean ingredients, guys. And there's the strawberry one. I'm just gonna stick this one in here. So there you have it, guys.
Now we'll have to get more
All right,
Jello
right, let
and
me-
pudding.
Okay, guys, so there you have it. I just, in about 2 minutes, literally did 7 different Jellos and puddings. And I made my bread ahead of time for the week. I can teach you with 1 hour prep work per week how to stick to that 1,000 calorie a diet day and lose weight rapidly. So visit us at HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.
It tastes very gross.
No.
No.
Can you say bye?
Say bye.
Bye.
This video